Okay, you guys, so this is my official living room tour. I'm going to save the kitchen and the family room for separate videos so that I can have extra videos to do. So if you have not subscribed to Homebody, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up while you're at it. So what I'm going to do is just give you the tour of the living room. I may talk from here and there, but what you're looking at now is my use of my toilet paper DIY pumpkins. That's pillows. I have my sectional separated right now, and I'm loving it this way. I plan on putting my sectional back together for Christmas. So this is one section of my sectional. All of the pillows that you're looking at, well, not all of them, most of the pillows you're looking at actually came from Home Goods. The gray sequence pillows came from Pier 1. The side table that you see next to the sectional came from At Home. The Glam wall art that you see came from Ross. The pendant light came from Pier 1. Curtains came from IKEA. The coffee table was a DIY by me. There's my sofa table. It actually came from Rooms to Go. All the items that you see on the bottom except for the picture frames came from Home Goods. Picture frames came from Z Gallery. Now we're looking at the top of my sofa table. That thankful sign actually came from Tuesday Morning. The owls came from Z Gallery, candle holders from Home Goods, the tray from Home Goods. I think these owls are super cute and so fall. So here's my bar card. It's kind of simple now. Usually I kind of go over the top with my bar card, but I only have just 2 decantisters and 2 candle holders. Then I have a chair, my throw, and a pillow, and another side table on the side. Came from At Home, the picture frame, and the mirror actually came from Z Gallery. I actually showed these items in a haul in the past. I am so loving that mirror. Here's my DIY ladder. And how I styled my pillows in the mirror box. I have a video on that. Here's my mosaic pumpkins, picture frame, and lamp, resting on 2 nesting tables. Here's the other portion of my sectional that I have on a separate wall from the other. I like it right here, but I'm going to be putting my sectional back together for Christmas. The wall art that you see here actually came from Kirkland's.